If you want to stop getting emails from SurveyMonkey, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to unsubscribe in just a few steps. It only takes a minute, and once you're done, you should no longer receive those notification emails you don't want. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where your account settings are stored, and it's the first step to managing your email preferences. After that, click on My Account. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control different parts of your SurveyMonkey profile. From here, look for the notifications section and click on it. This is the area where SurveyMonkey lets you manage what emails you receive. Now scroll down through the notifications page until you find the unsubscribe option. You should see a button or link that says unsubscribe from all. Click on that option to stop all SurveyMonkey notification emails from being sent to your inbox. Once you click unsubscribe, your email preferences should be updated right away. In some cases, you may need to confirm the change, but usually this completes the process. To make sure it worked, you can go back and check your notification settings or wait to see if future emails stop arriving. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from SurveyMonkey. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.